Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find your BitLocker security key. So first of all, you need to go to your browser, go to Microsoft.com and sign into your account. After you have signed into your Microsoft account, you want to click on the profile here and click on My Microsoft Account. After you are here, you want to go ahead and click on Devices and you want to find your device which you are using and for which you need the BitLocker key. So you're going to find it here. After that, click See Details. And from here, you're going to see BitLocker Data Protection. So you're going to click Manage Recovery Keys. Now you will need to verify your identity. And after all of that, you will see your device name and recovery key, which will have like 48 numbers or so. So that's where you will find it. And you can go ahead and copy it from here and paste it where you need. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time.